you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course we are going to do something spooky, and I'm so excited to say that Fashion Nova literally sent me a bunch of Halloween costumes. I'm so excited to show you. The first one that I ordered was a Victorian vampire. I'm going to try this on and show it for you. I'm also going to make a few TikToks if you want to follow me there too. I also got this 1980s workout costume, and the last one I got was a sexy pirate. So let's try them on, let's see how they feel. Their costumes, from what I can tell, I already opened one of them, the sexy pirate, and it is pretty good quality. It even came with like a sword, little accessories, so let's try them on, let's see how it goes. I did make a tutorial for this hairstyle on my TikTok if you want to go look at it. But yes, stay tuned, let's try on these costumes. Alright YouTube, this is the first one. It is so cute. Let me put you down really quick. Hold on. I like the bodice of it. It feels like it snatches me in. This is a size small. I added some blood just to make it look more realistic because I am a vampire. But yes, I love it. I added these tights. The ones that are in this picture is not in this pack. So if you just have any fishnets, I think that would be fine. This is supposed to go on your head, but I like it better on my neck. And this is supposed to be up, I guess. Holy shit, hold on. Oh, something just ripped. Okay, hold on. I'm a hot mess right now. Okay, yeah, that's supposed to be up, but my hair does not allow this. But I genuinely do like this. Like, this is such a fun little gift to be given. Okay, I know vampires don't say rawr. Oh, yes, it's giving. But it's hot. And I just feel like a baddie. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright you guys, this is outfit. Well, this is Halloween costume number 2. This is the sexy pirate. Let me turn you more this way. It comes with a hat, it comes with a sword, it comes with these shorts. I got a size small in this one too. Surprisingly very stretchy, so if you have like big chi-chis, you could probably get a small. I do have my like Victoria's Secret bombshell on just to like plump them up more. I'm also wearing a corset under this to snatch me up just a little bit more, but I'm feeling this. It's not actually like what a pirate would look like. You know, Fashion Nova makes it sexy, so yes, this is what their pirate looks like. I would honestly probably wear this if I was a pirate, just because it shows my legs. I have a sword, so I would give me your freaking gold, and then yeah, it's just cute. On the back, it's kind of giving Pimp the Pirate. But it is very cute. If you wanted to like surprise your man, like, it's very hot. This is actually a really cute costume, you guys, especially in person. Just wear whatever heels that you want. Get whatever fishnets that you want. I would wear this with fishnets. I don't think they had any in the like picture. Even if you had like the half fishnets, like that would be sexy. But this is what we're working with right now. Just so freaking cute. On the side, on the back. Woo! She's sucked in there. But yes, this is the pirate one. Alright you guys, this is the last one. Beep beep. I don't know how I feel about this one. I thought I would like this one the best, but like you really have to like shave because you can see literally everything. This one is see-through. This is what she looks like on there. I really needed to use like a bra that like pressed them up because yes. But so this is what this one looks like. I probably would not wear this one out in public just because it is a thong back and it's pretty see-through. But it is cute just for fun, like taking little quick pictures and everything. Came with these like little wristbands, a headband. I thought it would be cute with a scrunchie and a side ponytail. It came with this belt, these leg warmers, and then this bodysuit and this bra thingy under it. what this part looks like though. This part is cute. This is like the bra that sticks out under though. But it does make you look snatched from this part. But then you step back. It's this part that I don't like right there. Because it is very see-through. You probably do need to wax or do whatever you do, but it is not, I mean, it is see-through. So luckily in this lighting it is not. So those are the costumes that they sent me. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how they fit. They really like squeeze you in, but they're also stretchy. So I was really worried that I wasn't gonna have enough like butt or boobs to fill it, but it really like conforms to your body. Those are all size smalls and there was some stretch to it. So I really did like the way they look. They have just really cute, sexy Halloween costumes. Some of them are super sexy, some of them are really toned down. They also have couples costumes, kids costumes, dog costumes, all the accessories that you would need. I was pleasantly surprised to see how many accessories that they had on their website. So make sure to check them out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be posting some pictures on there. And then also on TikTok, I posted some fun videos. Some of them are stupid, but whatever. I was feeling myself in these outfits. I'm super thankful for all of you guys. I suddenly hit like 6,000 followers on here, which blows my mind because that happened in like 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try on some more Halloween costumes soon. I'm gonna be doing some more Halloween makeup looks. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I love you. Bye.